Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis for Multi-Louis Photography, and this is a creator's journey. Today is going to be very simple. I just want to share a little bit about the SmallRig that I got for my M50. The Canon M50, I bought it because I needed a camera that can autofocus and that it won't auto break my pocket. Well, that was pretty good. So I went and got it, and then I also went and got the SmallRig. And together, man, they just make a great couple. They really do. I love using both of them together, not just because you know, I'm trying to advertise for SmallRig. Honestly, they're not paying me. Obviously, this is just something that I'm sharing with you guys. But when I first got the M50, every time I put like a little plate, you know, for the tripod, or even if I put it on. Like I'll take off the stand from the phone gimbal. I had a problem with the battery dies. Oh, I gotta take the battery out. You know, every time you gotta take the battery out, you have to take off the base or whatever you have screwed on the bottom of the M50. So I didn't just go get the SmallRig because it sounds cool, although it does sound kind of cool. You know, I got it because I needed something that I can use. Now I know with my 5D Mark II, because I do landscape photography, I need to be able to switch my camera, you know, horizontal and then vertical. And I got a cage for it, you know, a little cage for the 5D Mark II. Works great. I can plug in my remote in there, holds my camera. I can just move it really quick. And I thought maybe I need something like that for the M50. So I looked everywhere. I really, I don't know why it was hard to find, but eventually I found it. And man, you know, the last blog that I did, I went to the ice caves, and I was testing it there, and I loved it. You know, it's just like, it's such a convenience. I mean, you're still going to have to put up with the inconvenience of, you know, battery life is so short. But you don't have to put up with the inconvenience of, oh, I got to change the battery. Oh, let me take the tripod connector off, you know, or the plates off. None of that. So, you know, having the SmallRig with the M50, you can't go wrong. Now, like right now I'm recording with my wireless microphone. I put it on the hot shoe. Now, if I ever need to record I don't really record at night, but if I ever need to record and I want to put like a small video light on the hot shoe of the camera, I can do so because the SmallRig also has a spot where I can plug in the wireless remote for the microphone. Now, I am testing it with, just to show you guys what it looks like, I'm testing it with one of my flashes, and you know, so like one of these, and it is a snug fit, but that's because I got the wireless remote on there. If you have just the microphone, I'm sure it's going to be easier to just put in there, but nonetheless, you can see that it actually works and it fits well. The other thing I want to talk about is I bought this wireless microphones, and it's from Comica, and it has two wireless microphones with the wireless receiver. And you know, I used to do presentations, you know, with church and events and things like that, and we always found the need to have a wireless microphone. And you know, when we're out hiking, whether it be raining or windy or whatnot, it's kind of hard to blog and record with the microphone on top of the camera. So I needed something that I can just put on me and then not have to worry. See, not have to worry about the microphone is too far, or you know, it's gonna catch all this unwanted noise. Now, these microphones are sensitive, so if we do use them, there is a way that you can adjust it. There's a little menu in there. If you know about audio, then you know what I'm talking about. But I left it as a default. It's a little bit loud. It does catch a little bit of extra stuff that maybe I don't want in the video. I can probably play with that later. But I can tell you, I think I paid 256 or something like that dollars, and man, so worth it. I've been recording for the last few videos that I've done and just testing it out, and they each use AA batteries on the microphone part and then on the receiver as well. So just just be ready to buy some batteries. It does last a long time. I think I probably recorded quite a few hours actually of audio with this, and I think my battery says that it's at half. So I haven't tested how many actual hours it actually records for with the same two batteries, but it seems to be good. At least maybe I was expecting the battery to die sooner because I had the bad experience with the M50, but to my surprise, they're still going, and the audio that I'm getting from it, I'm very happy with. So with that being said, the trip to Samoa is still getting closer and closer. Sometimes it feels like it's taking forever, and sometimes it feels like I just don't have enough time to get everything situated. I'm still moving around everything in my apartment, and we're still trying to get everything packed up. Today, after I dropped the kids off, I came home, cleaned up a little bit, cleaned the bathrooms, fixed up the kitchen and things like that. Grabbed my cup of coffee, as you saw in the intro. And you know what? I love doing everything that I do. I am truly blessed. I'm very happy with what I do. So with this move to Samoa, having bought the wireless microphone, there is like at Costco, there is like this package of batteries that they're not too expensive. They're actually cheap compared if you go buy them by twos or fours at the store. So I'm going to buy a big pack of those because I plan on doing lots of videos in Samoa. Until next time, that's all I got for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button in there. I will actually be making a trip to the mountain this weekend, so hopefully all weather is favorable and I'll be able to go ahead and make a new blog for you guys there. Till next time, thanks for watching. Be safe and be blessed.